Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening Gnome Terminal and going straight to Preferences. This is where Profiles live. Once there, create or select a profile. Profiles isolate settings so you can test safely. Set the Profiles command and enable use custom font if you want a consistent look. You can change the initial terminal title here. Make sure to name the profile clearly, because later steps rely on selecting the exact profile you just prepared. Next, focus on appearance. Adjust the font family and size so text is crisp at your display's DPI. Once done, pick a color palette, use built-in schemes, or paste a custom palette. Transparency and background images come next, but keep contrast high for legibility. Then refine cursor shape, blinking, and bold color handling. These small choices improve scanning and long sessions. Make incremental changes and preview in a new terminal window to confirm the balance between aesthetics and usability. Finally, lock in functionality. Assign shortcuts and adjust key bindings inside Preferences, or use G settings for precise control. Export the profile with dconf or G settings dump so you can redeploy it. This is the only reliable backup method. Verify compatibility options like encoding and bell behavior, then test common workflows. If something breaks, check the dconf path for your profile and reapply the dumped schema. Most issues come from wrong profile UUIDs, so confirm the selected profile matches.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.